Well, hello there, Team WUKAR person you. This is Peter Dudek, and this is millions and millions and millions of videos needed. A Team WUKAR training video, and this is part 2, making a video with Video Maker FX. In this video, we are going to choose a doubly related keyword. Then we will create a Video Maker FX project, and then last but not least, we're going to attempt to export the project. Very difficult. It's not hard. Okay, first thing, choose a doubly related keyword. Okay, let's do that. Let's go over to the internet and let's look at doubly. Well, here on doubly, I'm looking in the shopping mall area and best deals. Look at that. Let's see what pops out. Pops out to me is a 17% cashback. That looks good. So let's go to heels.com and get some keywords. Okay, so here we are on heels.com. Let's get some keywords. There's a best-selling brand. That's a good idea. Jessica Simpson brand. Popular brands. Check this out. Makers, Nicole Miller, Lust for Life, Tiger Bear Republic. Let's choose something. Let's choose, I don't know. These are new. Let's go with something new. Click on Nicole Miller. Okay, so Nicole Miller, what has she got? In her line of shoes, we got all kinds of fancy shoes. There are brand boots. Let's look at the boots. Check out the boots. Oh, this is heels.com. Okay, let's go back. Heels.com. Nicole Miller. Okay, I get it. Okay, so we're in Nicole Miller. 13 shoes for Nicole Miller. So Nicole Miller has 13 shoes. Let's see, somebody might be looking for an actual shoe. Maybe they'll be looking for party shoe. Nicole Miller Zembra. Let's do that. Nicole Miller Zembra. Okay, so we have a keyword. Let's write it down. So keyword. What have we got? We have, let's go back and look. We've got a website, heels.com. We have a maker, Nicole Miller, and we have a model, Zembra. So heels.com, Nicole Miller, Zembra. Let's go write that down. Heels.com, Nicole Miller, Zembra. Did I get that spelling right? N-I-C-O-L-E, N-I-C-O-L-E, Miller, Nicole Miller, Zembra. Okay, cool. And here's a picture. Let's grab the picture. Save image as. Nicole Miller Zembra shoe. Zembra. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, so now we got an image, and we got some keyword. We got a keyword phrase. All right, I'm taking notes here. All right, so we got a keyword. Let's move on. We're going to prepare to make a Video Maker project. We're going to choose an animation set. We're going to prepare some text changes and prepare graphics. Now this is the suggested size, 1280 by 720. That's their suggestion, you know, for the best size for Video Maker FX, but I found that it's not like a required size. It's not like if it's not that size it won't work. Sometimes it won't work very good, but sometimes it will. Just kind of depends. Finally, we'll add some music. Okay, so what's next here? Choose an animation set. So let's go and log in to Video Maker FX. In case you haven't realized it by now, this video is going to be kind of long because there's a lot to show you. I could do this a lot faster if I wasn't showing how to do it. Okay, I could actually make this video super fast, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. I'm going to go real slow so you know, you can follow along. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a project, but before I do that, I'm going to go grab my keyword. Where's my keyword at? Oh, I gotta find my notes. Okay, here's my keyword. I'm going to copy my keyword, and where's my, there. I'm going to create a project. I'm going to name it my keyword. Paste. Create project. Okay, so now I'm going to add my slides. Remember I told you I'm going to use Anna. I'm going to use Anna. Actually, I forgot. I haven't told you that yet. I've been through all of these sets, you know, and I looked at all these different things, and I thought, you know, I'll just use for the demo, I'll use Anna. So here's Anna. I'm going to look at all these slides, and this is something that you'll do ahead of time depending on what your keyword is. You'll just kind of browse through and figure out, you know, which set of animations you want to use. So I'm going to just click on this button, add all the slides. I may not use all the slides, but I'm going to add all the slides. So now if you look over here, we got all these text areas. Okay, let's go to the first slide. Meet. Second slide, second text area, Anna. She loves traveling, but she is unhappy. Okay, so we've got all those. Meet Anna. She loves traveling, but she is unhappy. Okay, so we're going to go to our text, and we're going to say meet Anna. She loves traveling, but she, how did it go? Which line was it on? But she is. I wish there was a way to export all this. But she is unhappy. Okay. Now I'm going to pause the video right now and go through and get all of that stuff, and I'm not going to force you to watch me copy and paste. That would just be cruel, and I'm not cruel. So here we go. I'm going to pause the video. When I come back, I'll have all of that text from all of these slides. What I'm going to do is just going to go through all of these text areas. I'm going to copy and paste all this stuff into my text document so that I can change them to fit the video that I'm actually going to make. Okay, here we go. Pause. Wow, that took me forever. No, it didn't really, but at least I didn't make you watch me copy and paste. Okay, so here's what I did. I rearranged some slides, and I got rid of some slides, and I narrowed it down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides. And so then what I did is I went into each one, like for example this one here, and all this text, I'm looking over here at the text area, I copied and pasted it over into my text document. And so here are my slides. Slide 1, there's the text that's there. Slide 2 is a graphic. That's where I'm going to put those shoes. Slide 3, more text. Slide 4, I'm going to put a Doobly logo there. Slide 5, text to replace. Slide 6, I'm going to put the Doobly logo again. And then slide 7 is here. And then this is going to be slide 8, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so there is no slide 8 yet. And what I'm going to do is I like to have the call to action be pattern interrupt with a different look to the slide, a whole different color scheme. I want the call to action to stand out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new slide, and what I have in mind for this call to action is just text. I want to say you can get cash back too, you know, click the link below in the description. So I'm looking for a text effect. Here's the text effect 1. And see these text 01 just text, text 02 just text, text slide 3 just text. Anyway, these are kind of cool. I like these. I'm just going to pick the first one and I'm going to add that slide. So basically it's just got 3 texts. Okay, so this is going to be slide number 8 and I've got 3 lines. So let me go in my note here, 3 lines. Now while I've got you, before I pause the video again, because I'm going to pause and I'm going to change all these words. Okay, so I don't know why I'm looking over there. You're right there. Sorry. I thought the camera was where the button is where I pause you. Anyway, sorry about that. I'm kind of new to this whole recording on the Mac only. I used to have some different equipment. Okay, so anyways, here we are. Let's go in and where was I? I was going to show you getting the logo. So here we are with the shoes. Let's get the Doobly logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm in Bing. I'm going to go to Images. I'm going to type in Doobly logo. And no, I don't want Dublin. I want the Doobly logo. And I want it to be large. Okay, so now if you notice right here, it shows when you hover it disappears. But I'm going to move the focus so you can see I want this one that's 1417 by 737. So that's the one I want. So I'm going to click it, show larger, and then I'm going to, oops, come back here. Where the heck did you go? There it is. Touchy mouse. I'm going to save image as. And that name really sucks. So I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. Delete that, and I'll just call it that. Save. Okay. So now I got a logo. And it's not the exact right size that they want, but it's pretty close. Pretty close. So now I'm going to go back to Video Maker FX, and I'm going to go into my text document, and I'm going to be creative, not real creative, but just creative enough to change that text to fit the keyword of those shoes. And so I'm going to pause you, and I'll be right back after I do all that work. Pause. Oh, I'm resuming the video while I'm in the middle of working because I wanted to show you one thing real quick. The reason I put these lines of text in Notepad and replace them here, it's because I can actually keep the thought going. It's easier to brainstorm in here than it is right inside of Video Maker FX. Plus, I can look really carefully while I'm typing to make sure that I'm using about the same number of characters as are already there, because it's just easier that way. If you can just make your words fit where the old words were, then you don't have to adjust any font sizes. So that's just a tip. Try to make your words the same number of characters as the original words or close to it, because number one, you don't want to mess with the font sizes, and number two, you don't want to get real wordy. These short, punchy phrases are what you want. So don't get too complicated. Don't become verbose like I just did. Okay, pause. Hey, love you too, sweet potato. Gotta go now. Love you. Bye. Okay, so yeah, I got all that done, and I was in my text edit Notepad, and then I copied and pasted it over here into Video Maker FX. And so now I'm going to show you how to put the graphics in here. Okay, so here's, well, let's look at this first. I've got my slide number 1 says meet Anna. She loves buying shoes, but she is unhappy. Oh. And And then slide 2 is going to show the picture of the shoes. It's going to say, she wants these shoes. Then slide 3 says, let's see. Unfortunately, she's on a budget, couldn't find a coupon. Oh wait, starts off, she wants to buy them but is having trouble finding a deal. There we go. She wants to buy them but is having trouble finding a deal. Unfortunately, she's on a budget. She couldn't find a coupon. Almost gave up on them. That was until she discovered. Then I'm going to have the next slide be the Doobly logo in a circle. And that's going to show the Doobly logo, and then it's going to do this one that says she ordered the shoes. She's looking fine, and best of all, she got cash back. Yay! And then I'm going to show the Doobly logo again, just because. And then, after that we'll say, here it is. So now Anna can be happy. She buys shoes online, she's always in style, and gets cash back. Okay, and then the final slide is going to be the call to action. Be like Anna, buy shoes online, get cash back. Click the link below to learn how. Okay, and I'm realizing I haven't really mentioned the shoes by name in the text, so I can maybe repurpose this video. Just swap out the photo, and I can use this video over and over. Just change a few things. Save some work. Okay, so let's put in these images. So first you go to the slide that has the image that you want, and you come over here and you click on this Images tab. Okay, then it's going to show you inspect image element. I'm sorry, image element. So you click on the image area 1, and you're going to browse for the file, and you got to find it. Okay, so I've got it in my big ass lead gen project. And what did I call that? It was, I should have put it in a folder all by itself. Nicole Miller Zembra, open. Okay. So she wants these shoes. Oh, look. Thank you, Video Maker FX, for resizing those perfectly for me. That was awesome. Now we want the Doobly logo, which we got. I showed you how to get the Doobly logo. So now we're going to do the same thing here. We're here. We're going to go to the image area. We're going to browse for the Doobly logo. Doobly logo, there it is. Open. Doobly, fun shopping. There it is right there. How easy was that? Now the last thing here, we're going to do the Doobly logo again. So let's click on that. Images, browse the file. Doobly logo. I have two Doobly logos. Doobly, this one. This is the one we want. Open. Okay, and now notice it says top travel deals still, and see how the Doobly's kind of squished in this one? So we're going to scale it. Let's pause it. We're going to pause right here, and we're going to scale it a little bit so it fits better. And then where it says top travel deals, we're going to go back to this text tab, click on the text area, and instead of top travel deals, we're going to say cash, cash, how do you spell cash? Cash back on shoes. Okay, and then we've got this one, which we've already talked about, and then we've got our call to action. Now, the call to action, it still doesn't stand out very good, right? Because we've got this kind of blue background, we've got this blue boring background. Fortunately, we have this little tab up here that says animation. No, that's not it. This one. What am I doing? Images. We're going to go to background effect right here. Background effect. Now look, you start click these two little arrows. You just start clicking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just find a cool one that you like. So far, I'm not seeing one I like. Just keep going. It gets better. 16, 17, 8. Oh, look, we have a map. Okay, we have another map. We have lines. Look at all this stuff. 23. Let's do Let's do that. Okay, now we're going to go to the animation and see how it says right here animation 1 is 0. Let's put some animations on it. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, these are awesome. Too busy. Well, that's kind of like a party. It's hard to read the white letters with the white bubbles in the back. I don't know. Oh, I don't know what to do. Be like Anna. What kind of animation should we get? I think I like, let's go with the first ones that came out, the super awesome. I like the one that's more light colored. Let's do that one. Okay, so, and to make it stand out even more, let's go to images and choose a different background image. And this time we're going to open the gallery, because I don't want it to be blue. I want it to be orange or something. So let's look at, find a different background that's like orange. Well, let's look at some simple backgrounds. Dark red. That's too red. Studio, what do we got here? Those are too fancy schmancy. Let's do backgrounds pattern. Oh, heck with it. We'll just do frickin' red. Okay, we're gonna use that. Okay, so there we go. That's definitely gonna be a pattern interrupt. Be like Anna, buy shoes online, get cash back. I don't know, red, that's like stop. Okay, forget it. I can't use red, I'm sorry. Let's go to something that's not red and not too weird. There we go. We'll use that one. It's kind of orange. Okay, if I was doing this without showing you, I'd spend a lot of time and I'd tweak this until I liked it, but you know, do what you want. Okay, so here we go. We've got our project ready to go. I'm going to pause the video and be right back. Okay, so we've done pretty much everything there is to do with creating this project, except for the last step here. We're going to add some music. So let's go back here and let's actually save the project. Saved. Saves it really fast. And let's go to the audio settings and we're going to enable music on the first track. A Better Day. Let's preview this. Let's preview another one. Happy guitar music. Yeah. Exciting day. Nah. Big smiles. I like that one. Okay, we're going to apply that. Okay, so we now have music. And let's save it again. Saved. Let's preview the project. Okay. Meet Anna. She loves buying shoes, but she is unhappy. Poor Anna. She wants these shoes. Whoa, that's the shoes that person was looking for. She wants to buy them, but is having trouble finding a deal. Unfortunately, she's on a budget. Couldn't find a coupon. Almost gave up on them. That was until she discovered, what the heck, Doodly. She ordered the shoes. She's looking fine. And best of all, she got cash back. What? What's this cash back thing? Doodly, fun shopping, cash back on shoes. What? So now Anna can be happy. She buys shoes online. She's always in style and gets cash back. I want cash back on shoes. Be like Anna. Buy shoes online, get cash back. Click the link below to learn how. I'm clicking that link, man. I want you, and I want cash back. Okay, cool. All right, so we have officially added music. So now we are going to... Okay, so I forgot one thing. I forgot to export the project. The hardest part of this whole thing. I forgot to show you how to do that. Okay, so here's what you do. You're in Video Maker FX, you just reviewed it, everything looks good. Click on this button that says Export Project, and I'm going to always choose that size, and I'm always going to choose Very Good, and I'm going to let it go right where I have it, and I'm going to say Start Video Export. And you will see how fast this thing renders. It's rendering frames for slide number 1 of 8, and it's going to keep on going, and I'm going to pause this while it renders this. It'll be super fast, but still, I don't want to make you watch that. So here we go, pause. Okay, unpaused, and slide number 8 of 8 is almost done. Encoding process, export complete. Okay, so we're going to open the video folder. Here it is, heels.com nicole-miller-zembra.mp4. Let's check it out. Let's look at it. Here we go. Let's play it. Play that sucker. Well, that was an abrupt ending. That reminds me, I need to show you one more thing. So let's go back into Video Maker FX, and we're going to look at this and see right here where it says slide delay. That is how long does this slide stay on the screen after all of the animations bring all of the stuff in and it's there in its full glory and wonderment. How long does it stay there? Right now it stays 0 seconds before it starts doing the animation to get itself out of there. Well, we want it to stay on the screen a lot longer because this video is going to be in YouTube, it's going to be on Google, and we want it to stay there enticing people to click the link below to learn how. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to I'm just going to type it in. I'm going to let it stay there for 20 frickin' seconds. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to save the project. Saved, and I'm going to export the project, and I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to make sure I have this still at Very Good. If I don't change it, this is one thing that you need to know. It doesn't automatically ask you, are you sure you want to save it as the same thing in the same place? You're going to overwrite. You know how sometimes you get those warnings, almost all the time you get those warnings? This software does not warn you. If you don't change the name, it is going to overwrite the one that you've already rendered. In this case, I don't care. I want it to overwrite it. So start video export. Now I'm going to pause it. I'm not going to watch it again. I'll just let you know that this is going to have the extra 20 seconds on the end, so it's going to be a better video for being up there on YouTube, enticing people to click down below. So I'm pausing the video yet again, and I'll see you whatever I say next. Make a plug for getting Video Maker FX. If you haven't already got this software, shame on you. Go to this link, themarketingmoron.com/videofx. Click the link, buy the stuff, and you should do next. You should make sure you've got the Video Maker FX software and all the stuff they sell that goes with it. Buy everything they offer. It's good stuff. Trust me, you'll like it. Then you're going to pick a doobly related keyword of your own to do, and you're going to make a doobly related video. Okay? Now, to finish the video, this has been a long video, I know. I appreciate you bearing with me. I hope you've enjoyed the training. I've enjoyed doing it for you, have fun doing it. But I want to finish off like Matt does with something inspirational. Okay, so just to change the tone a little bit. There's no I in the word TIM, team. Whoops. Maybe there's I in the word team. Wait a second. How did I get in the middle of a team? Maybe it makes sense. T-E-I-A-M. I am in my team. I'm all in with my team. Team WUKAR's got my back, and I've got theirs. But I am an army of one, and I'm going to kick some serious ass. No one determines if I win or lose but me. If it is to be, it's up to me. And now it's up to you. So get out there, get to work, find a doobly related keyword, make a video. You can do it. Till next time, this is Peter Dudek. I'll see you later.